Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the 7 best Roblox games that are like GTA. Number 1. Streets of Bloxwood Remastered. This is a direct homage to GTA. It's got an open world crime sim that lets you pull off heists, buy luxury cars and apartments, and host wild parties. It was formerly known as GTA Bloxwood, and it captures the chaotic spirit of GTA Online. It's got cops, criminals, and online multiplayer action. Number 2. Moon City. It's often referred to as the GTA of Roblox. It features classic GTA elements like missions, weapons. Online multiplayer brings GTA Online vibes, making this a must-play for fans of Los Santos living. Number 3. Pacifico 2. If you loved cruising around GTA just to soak in the scenery, Pacifico 2 is your game. It offers a vast open world, dynamic weather, and beautiful landscapes. It's perfect for laid-back driving and role-playing without the chaos of constant fights. Number 4. Whispers of the Zone. This narrative-heavy title sets you in a lockdown city under gang threat. If you're drawn to GTA's dramatic storytelling, Whispers of the Zone delivers a dark, immersive world with layered plotlines and tension-filled missions. Number 5. Mad City. This is one of the most GTA-like games on the platform. Mad City lets you choose between villain, cop, or even superhero roles. You can rob stores, customize weapons, or do drive-by shootings. It's basically GTA 5 with a Roblox twist and a superhero flair. Number 6. Jailbreak. Jailbreak is about escaping or enforcing the law. You can choose to play as a criminal trying to escape prison or as a cop trying to stop them. The fast cars, shootouts, and open world gameplay scream GTA. And number 7. Street Racing Unleashed. Originally launched in 2013, this game offers sleek, futuristic vehicles in Tron-like setting. It's less about story and more about speed, but it still captures that adrenaline rush of illegal racing GTA fans know very well, especially with friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!